Welcome back to VS Academy. Today we are going to learn about Science second lesson, Static Electricity. So in this lesson there are 5 parts: charging an object, type of static electric charges, generation of static electric charges, phenomena associated with static electricity, capacitor. So today we are going to learn about charging an object. In this lesson there are so many activities. Now we are going to do activity 1. To do this activity we want some materials. They are glass rod, PVC pipe, ebonite rod, sheet of polythene, piece of silk, piece of woolen cloth, some pieces of papers. So method of this activity is hold the object closer to the tiny paper. Observe what happened before and after and before rubbing them. You can see the observation of this activity from this diagram. Now we are going to learn about static electric charges. Static electric charges mean electric charges generated on the surface of the object by rubbing. So the scientist William Gilbert was the first to reveal that light things attracted to the rubbed object. He observed when a piece of solid amber is rubbed with a silk cloth, light object light tiny pieces of paper and features are attracted to it. Types of static electric charges. We observe that from activity 2. Materials need 2 glass rods, 2 ebonite rods, silk cloths, pieces of woolen cloths, few threads, 2 stands. From the second diagram, you can observe this activity. So observation of activity 2. Glass repelled. Ebonite glass attract. Glass ebonite attract. Ebonite repelled. The reason for the attraction and repulsion between charged rods is the existence of 2 types of static electric charges. Glass rod rubbed with silk cloths. You can see the diagram of that. This ebonite rod has rubbed with wool, and this is the glass rod that we rubbed before. So the observation is object with like electrical charges repel each other. Object with unlike electric charges attract each other. They are as follows: positive static electrical charges, negative static electrical charges. When 2 materials are rubbed with negative charges of one material jump into the other materials. From first diagram show before rubbing. From second diagram shows when rubbing. From third diagram shows after rubbing. 2.4 Phenomena associated with static electricity. This is the second part. Lightning emitting tick sound when ironing clothes, attraction of hair on the arms toward the TV screen. Now we are going to learn about lightning. Sudden discharge of electric charges accumulated on a cloud to another cloud or to the earth as a shock. Lightning occurs because of the generation of static electrical charges on the cloud. Static electric charges on the tiny droplet of water, snow or cloud because of their collision with each other. Thus, static electrical charges collect on the cloud and the clouds get charged. If you don't understand, now we are going to show a small video of the static electrical charges. Observe this properly. First, the balloon is wrapped with a cloth and get near to the tap. You can see the water get attracted to the balloon. So now we are going to learn about capacitors. Capacitors are used to store static electrical charges. Charging and discharging of a capacitor. Activity. To do this activity also, we want materials. Capacitor, LED, 2 dry cells, connective wires. First we want to do connect capacitor with 2 dry cells and keep for 5 minutes. Second one is remove the 2 dry cells and connected LED so that positive and negative terminals are in the same position. So the observation is LED light up for a short time. Now we are going to learn about expansion and consumption. When dry cells are connected with the capacitor, it is charged electrostatically. When charged capacitor connected with LED, the capacitor discharged. Electric charges can be stored in capacitor. Gold leaf electroscope. So, did you know what is the use of the gold leaf electroscope? Use this electroscope is gold leaf electroscope is used to identify electric charges. So this is the end of our lesson. So thank you for watching our video.